What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk some bicep peaks. So in my opinion, the best way to build a bigger bicep peak is to simply build bigger biceps in general. Your bicep peak results will be mostly, if not entirely, a product of your genetics based on your individual biceps shape and insertion. Some people have shorter biceps and others have longer biceps, and neither is necessarily better or worse. The biceps are a straightforward muscle with both long and short head performing basic elbow flexion. So, if you're training hard and progressively on a few different carrying variations over time combined with all your compound back exercises, both heads will be getting thoroughly smashed and engaged. Incorporating like fancy and unique carrying variations that you have seen on the internet, specifically isolate the long head or short head, will not actually make a bigger impact. Instead, focus on getting stronger at your barbell curls and alternating dumbbell curls. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about building bigger biceps, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Mad love.